Hello, it's me, MrSasaki. I am here at a hotel and without my instrument. And I was thinking like this would be a great opportunity to sort of make a video about, how can we keep in shape? How can we make progress and practice even when we don't have our instruments? Because it often happens when we're on vacation. It's like, oh, it's a beach vacation, so I'm not going to take my instrument. Or I'm going on a ski vacation, so I'm not going to take my instrument, as you probably shouldn't because of those extreme conditions that might be there, right? So, what do we do? So, I'm going to show you, first of all, in this video one, I'm going to talk about general stretching, okay, and warming up. I feel like, you know, it feels good and it also helps us get attuned to our bodies and perform the best that we can, okay? So, here we go. You can do this when you're by yourself, like on vacation where you have no instrument, or when you have your instrument, you can practice. This is just kind of a nice way to warm up to check in with your body. All right, are you ready? All right, here we go. Left hand, we're going to press down. Right hand, we're going to grab our opposite ear and pull down. Wow, so again, we're pushing down and pulling this way. So we're opening up that shoulder. Feel that stretch right along here, okay? Okay, so now we're going to go right hand, press down, left hand, grab the opposite ear and pull. Okay, just gentle pull, just let the arm weight kind of pull down. We don't want anything violent, okay? But definitely you want to feel that, oh yeah, that shoulder opening, that space here, pulling and extending, okay? Okay, next one, we're going to do shoulder rolls. Here we go. Okay, so we're rolling, alternating. Okay, we're going to do it together. Call this the jellyfish. Here we go. It looks a little silly, but definitely helps loosen up those shoulders and the shoulder blades in the back. All right, change direction. Forward, alternating. Okay. And then also rolling together now. Forward. Okay. So another idea to do with this is let's do backwards alternating. So as we're doing this, we're gaining almost like momentum. We start to get our arms involved, elbows, and arms. So now we're doing like a backstroke. Okay? Really feeling that from our torso. We're kind of rating, we're twisting, and we're feeling just like you were doing a backstroke. Okay? Let's change directions. Paddling forward now. Big windmills. Okay, now we're going to start to freestyle. Maybe a little bit of elbow just now. Making circles with the elbow. And then finally, shoulders again. So we're shrinking back down. Okay? That's good. Okay. A simple thing to do would also be to raise your shoulders and drop. Raise your shoulders, drop. Okay? We really want to ka-junk. Let them just kind of settle down. Lift and drop. Okay? A lot of people carry a lot of tension in their shoulders, so let's kind of see if we can loosen that up, continuing with our exercises. Here we go. So we're going to do now right arm, cross to your left side, left hand, grab, pull that arm in front of you. So left hand pulling the right hand over. Okay. Left hand in front, right arm, gonna pull right hand pull the left arm in. Ooh, okay. That's good. Okay, here we go. I'm feeling it. Hands together. We're going to press to one side. So now I'm pressing to my left. So right is pushing to left. But my elbows are in front. Okay, now left is going to push to right. Ooh, I feel that up here on top of my arm. Okay, together. All right, here we go. Arms in front, raising. Okay, out to the side. It's like a big bird flapping your wings. Okay, let's back and forth. Front, side, front, side. Okay, let's get our hands involved. Here we are. So we're just opening and closing sideways, okay? So we're not opening and closing like this. We're actually squeezing together and popping apart. There we go. And that's kind of activating here where we have that tendonitis where we tend to get really sore along here. Sort of exercising that a little bit, warming it up. Nothing violent. Again, we're just going to warm things up. Okay. You can alternate your arms again while doing the opening and closing of your hands sideways. Oh, I like this one, this raising up. That really, I feel the tension that I have trying to release there. Okay. All right. Here we go. This is the last one. Are you ready? Oh, last stance. So we have our feet, shoulder, hip distance apart. Okay, we're kind of bending at the knees a little bit. We're going to raise our arms up, and we're going to do a cactus. Okay? This one's really great because we're opening up our chest. A lot of people, when they're playing, they squeeze in, right? They want power, but we're actually going to gain more power by opposing and relaxing our chest, opening up. Okay? So from the side view, here I am. So I'm pushing my arms back, opening that chest. Still squatting down our knees. Still trying to keep that back straight. Okay? Like I'm just about to sit, but I'm not quite getting there. There's no seat there, but I'm just kind of trying to find a place to settle in. Okay, here we go. Last one. We still have our hip distance apart feet. Okay, arms up. We're going to press out. Okay, so actually literally like I'm pressing the walls away from me. Hands as straight 90-degree angles as possible to the wall there. Or well, I guess parallel to the wall, perpendicular to the floor, pressing out. Knees bent, back straight. Okay, again, sideways stance is going to be this way. My tush is going to be kind of almost at the edge, like it's going to sit, but there's nothing quite there to sit on. Okay, this one's a great one just to hold. One of my teachers, I'll say Karamuko Gawa, fantastic viola player in Los Angeles, taught me this, and this is such a great pose. Oh, straighten out just when you think you can't straighten out anymore with those arms. Alternate sides, back and forth with your legs, shifting your weight from one side to the next. Okay? You can also turn your head, look to the left, see that hand straight, push out, turn to the right, push out, and forward. Okay, last push. Okay, and there we are. So you should feel definitely more open. I feel much more open in my chest so that when I play, I'm not all scrunched in and compacted. I really have a lot of grounding where I can use my back to really generate sound and tone from back here. So hopefully this is a good exercise series for you, or warm-up series. Let me know if you have any warm-ups that you'd like to do, but this works for me. I really enjoy doing this. I don't do it necessarily every day, but when I feel like my body's just not in tune, this is sort of a nice way to wake it up and say, okay, reset, open, feel extension, okay? All right, I hope this helps you. I will see you next time.